So how to calculate the size of each angle of a regular polygon. Earlier we've learned about what a regular polygon is. A regular polygon is a polygon that has angles with equal size. So if the angles of a polygon are equal, that polygon is called a regular polygon. If the angles are not equal, that polygon is called an irregular polygon. Okay, so here we are calculating the size of each angle of a regular polygon. So the formula to get that done is n minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n. So this is the formula you need to calculate the size of each angle of a regular polygon. So let's look at an example. So let's look at this question. We are told to find the size of each angle of a regular triangle. A regular triangle is a triangle that has all the three angles equal to each other. Remember, sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees from the example we've done before. So using the formula, a triangle has three sides, therefore n is equal to 3. So since a triangle has three sides, n is equal to 3. So using the formula, we have n minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n. So that gives you the size of each angle of a regular triangle. So this will give us 3 minus 2 times 180 degrees all over 3. So 3 minus 2 is going to give us 1. So we have 1 times 180 degrees all over 3. 1 times 180 is going to give us 180 degrees all over 3. And 180 divided by 3 is equal to 60. So that means for a regular triangle, each angle is equal to 60 degrees. So if you have a triangle like this is going to be 60 degrees, this is going to be 60 degrees, this is going to be 60 degrees. So this is how to calculate the size of each angle of a regular triangle. 60, 60, 60, that gives us 180 degrees. So we're going to look at another example. Okay, so here we are told to find the size of each angle of a regular heptagon. So a heptagon is a polygon that has 7 sides. So that's the first thing we take note of. Heptagon has 7 sides. Therefore, n is equal to 7. Heptagon has 7 sides. Therefore, n is equal to 7. So we'll fix that into the formula. The formula is n minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n. So our n is 7. So we have 7 minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by 7. 7 minus 2 times 180 divided by 7. 7 minus 2 is going to give us 5. So 5 times 180 degrees all over 7. So what's 5 multiplied by 180 degrees? 900. So we have 900 all over 7. So what's 900 all over 7? 128.57. Okay. So the sum of angles in a regular, sorry, the size of each angle of a regular heptagon is 128.57 degrees. You can round to 0.6. But if you take it to 128.5, that's wrong because this number here is more than 5. So you're supposed to add 1 to 5. I'm going to give you guys uh, one question to try, and then we'll be done with today's class. Calculate the size of each angle of a regular decagon.